I think if you have been a participant of the European Robotics Forum 2023, I think it would be a totally obvious recognition of the amazing effort Morten put into making this a fantastic event that he also deserves to win the TAP Prize this year. Not only getting a record number of participants to the event, but also all details of the event was fully covered by his amazing effort, and make everybody having a fantastic event. Making new initiatives part of the event. The dinner activities were special this year as well, so I think everybody who have attended that event will think back to this as something very, very special. And on top of that, also Morten has been a fantastic contributor to the annual elite summer school we have for roboticists coming to Odense every year. Also there, the social part of that has Morten been taking care of in a fantastic way several years now. So congratulations, Morten, it's fully deserved.
It's nice to be recognized by your colleagues and management for putting in a lot of effort in order to make something happen, so it's nice. I'm not going to recite my entire thank you speech, but I would like to stress that this is just as much an award for my colleagues as it is for me. Thank you so much for nominating me.